What's up, everybody? Today we are at the dyno with our Maserati Biturbo build. If you guys have never seen this build before or just don't remember it, this is a 1984 Maserati Biturbo that we have engine swapped with a Toyota 3SGE Beams engine with a turbo. The last time that we showed you guys this car, we had done our first test drive of the car. Since then, the owner, Steven, has been driving the car a bunch. It's been running fantastically. But today, we have taken it to the dyno, and we're going to go for power numbers and see what this thing is making. Prediction time. Let's see what everybody thinks it's going to make. Ryan from 2 Car Pros, what do you think?
Yeah, 320.
We got 320. Oh, the lighting looks terrible. It's so bright out here. That's better. What do you think?
The last one we did, it was pretty much almost the exact same build of this, did 427. So this one has a muffler and a few other little things, but it's also slightly more boost. So I think it's going to be the same thing, basically 420.
Okay, we got the owner, Mr. Steven. What do you think?
390.
390.
I'm thinking 390.
Okay, okay. So I'm going to think myself, we're trying to be conservative with this car, street car. We're not trying to blow it up. So I'm going to go 400 flat. Let's see.
All right, so what we're doing here is we're turning this, and you see these here. This is our actual red line is our target, and the white line is where we actually are. And what we want is to be able to move the throttle. You can see my throttle position changing. Throttle's 100%, 85%, 40, 37. And we want the red line and the white line to stay together. And you can see the throttle percentage changing, and the two are staying together. So now we can go on to our next cell.
with a slightly cooled down intercooler, it makes quite a bit of power. Who would have known? That is a lot more than I thought it was going to make, if I'm being completely honest. 450 is really surprising. 11.5 to 1 compression with a turbo clearly makes a lot of power. That is fantastic. What do you think?
Yeah!
So we are back from the dyno. We are super stoked with how the Maserati is running. 450 horsepower is a lot more than we expected the car to make. Super stoked with that. The car is way faster than it has any business being. It is surprisingly fast. Can't wait to show you guys the numbers on that. We have some really cool things planned with the car very soon, so you guys will be seeing the car on the channel again very soon. And until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.